Hi, welcome to Sutra online class. So now today I will discuss about polynomials. So polynomials. Polynomials. So today I will discuss about polynomials. See, listen. First of all, what is polynomial? What is polynomial? So polynomial definition. So in algebraic expression, nth degree algebraic expression. So we can take nth degree algebraic expression. It is in the form of a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on an. So like this, polynomial in the expression f of x is equals to, so a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2, so plus up to so on an. So it is algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression in the form of a1 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on an. So in this expression here a0, a1, a2, an. So these are the coefficients. So coefficients are real numbers. So where a0 comma a1 comma a2 up to so on an belongs to real numbers. And so here variable power n, variable power n minus 1, variable power n minus 2. So variable power n is, so and n is non-negative integer. N is non-negative integer. So here these are the coefficients. Coefficients belongs to real numbers and n is non-negative integer. Then it is called polynomial. So an algebraic expression in the form of f of x equal to a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on an, where a0, a1, a2, a3 up to so on an belongs to real numbers and n is non-negative integer. N is non-negative integer. So that's why we can, non-negative integer means what? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So they are non-negative integer. So that's why, for example, f of x is equals to, polynomial example, f of x is equals to, see, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So it is a polynomial. It is polynomial. See, next one more example. So f of x is equals to root 3 into x power 4 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 7. See, here root 3, 1 by 2, 7. These are the real numbers. And variable power 4, here variable power 1. So here 7 into x power 0 also we can write. So here 5 into x power 0 also we can write. So that's why here variable power 0, 1, 4, they are non-negative integer. That's why it is example of polynomial. Next, I can give one more example. F of x is equals to, see, one example, x plus 1. So it is also polynomial. Because of here x power 1 can be written as 1 into x power 0. 1 into x power 0 we can write. So this is x plus 1. X power 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So that's why it is the example of polynomial. Next, see, I will give one more example. F of x is equal to, see, I am taking x square plus x power minus 1. Now, is it polynomial? No, because of it's not a polynomial. Why? Because here variable power negative integer. Here variable power is what? Negative integer is there. So it is negative integer. Negative integer. So it is negative integer. So that's why it is not a polynomial. According to definition, n is non-negative integer. But in this example, here x power 2, it is okay. But here x power minus 1. Minus 1 non-negative integer. It is negative integer. So it's not a polynomial. Next, one more example. F of x is equals to x plus 1 by x. x plus 1 by x. So it is also not a polynomial because of, see, this can be written as, see, x plus x power minus 1 we can write. 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. So that's why it is also not a polynomial. Next, one more example. So f of x is equals to, so x square plus root 3 into x. Now it is also not a polynomial. Why? Because, see, this can be written as x square plus 3 into root x. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 there, x power fraction, but our condition non-negative integer, so it's not a integer, that's why it is also not a polynomial. Okay na? So polynomial definition is what? An algebraic expression in the form of a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on an. So in this one, a naught, a1, a2, a3 up to so on an belongs to real numbers. Next, n is non-negative integer. So these two conditions possible, it is polynomial. But see, this one polynomials. Because of according to definition, they are satisfied. But see, here and here, these three are not a polynomial. Because of, so it is not an integer, not a non-negative integer, not a non-negative integer, not a non-negative integer. That's why these are not polynomials. Okay na? So it is polynomial definition, example of polynomials. So next one, so in this one, see here these a1, a2 are the coefficients. We can say here a1, a0, a1, a2, these are the coefficients of polynomials. These are the coefficient of polynomials. So next one, degree of polynomial. So next one is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Okay, listen ma. Now degree of polynomial nothing but, so definition. So in a polynomial, the highest power of the variable. Okay, now first of all, it is polynomial. In that polynomial, highest power of the variable. See, now p of x or f of x, whatever may be, p of x is polynomial. I am taking, so 3 into x power 5 plus 7 into x power 4 plus root 3 into x minus 5. So now it is a polynomial. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? So degree of polynomial is what? In a polynomial, the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomial. So that's why now degree of polynomial, degree of p of x. See here variable power 5, variable power 4, variable power 1. Here variable power 0 we can write. 0, 1, 4, 5. In this one, highest number is what? 5. That's why degree of this polynomial is 5. Next, one more example. So p of x is equals to 3 by 2 into x power 7 minus 9 by 5 into x power 100. So plus 1 by 2. Now it is also polynomial. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of this polynomial? So x power 7, x power 100, here constant only. So that's why it is called, so it is x power 100. 100 is the highest power. So that's why degree of this polynomial is 100. Next, so degree of polynomial, degree of p of x is equals to 100. Next, one more example. So we can take different examples, whatever may be. So x power 2020, x power 2020, it is a polynomial. Variable power non-negative integer, polynomial. Then what is the degree of the polynomial? So only one is there, only one variable is there, that is the highest. So that's why now degree of this polynomial, so degree of p of x is equals to 2020. So it is degree of polynomial. So next one, again next value of the polynomial. So next one is value of polynomial. Value of polynomial. Value of polynomial. So what is the value of polynomial? So here f of x or p of x is a polynomial. F of x or P of x is a polynomial. So in that polynomial, so we have to take x equals something. X equals substitute in the place of x. So a, P of a is called value of the polynomial. For example, see, now P of x is a polynomial. P of x is a polynomial. So at x is equals to a, then P of a is called, value of the polynomial. P of a is called value of the polynomial. Okay, now P of x is polynomial. Replace x by a. Then P of a will get. That is called value of the polynomial. So for example, see, P of x is equals to, I am taking one polynomial, x square minus 5x plus 6. So it is a polynomial. So now at x is equal minus 1, then what is the polynomial? So that's why we need to get P of 2. So P of 2 equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So replace x by 2. So P of 2 is called value of the polynomial. That we should find. Now P of 2 equals to, so it is 2 square 4 minus 5 into 2 10 plus 6. So it is P of 2 equals to 4 plus 6 10. 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10. So P of 2 equals to 0. Now here P of 2 is called value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial how much? 0. So that's why value of the polynomial is 0. Okay, now value of the polynomial is 0. We can take in the place of x whatever may be. If we take x equal minus 1, P of minus 1 will get. If we take x equal to minus 3, P of minus 3 is called value of the polynomial. Okay, now see, listen ma, here 3 conditions. I explained 3 conditions. First of all, what is polynomial? So polynomial nothing but this one. So it is, so an expression in the form of a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on an. It is called polynomial. In this one, so variable power non-negative integer. a1, a2, a3 up to so on an, they are coefficients of polynomial. Next one, so these are the examples of polynomial. These are not a polynomials. Because of, we know condition. Here x power not non-negative integer. That's why they are called not a polynomials. Next, degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial definition is what? In a polynomial, the highest power of the variable. See, in this polynomial, x power 5 is the highest. That's why degree of this polynomial 5. Next, in this polynomial, x power 100 is the highest. So that's why degree of this polynomial is 100. So in this polynomial, 20 is the highest only. That's why degree of P of x is 20. Next, value of the polynomial. So P of x is a polynomial. At x equal a, P of a is called value of the polynomial. At x equal a, P of a is called value of the polynomial. So we will get in the place of it P of x equal x square minus 5x plus 6. At x equal 2 means P of 2. P of 2 is called value of the polynomial. So we got value of the polynomial. Next one, so from after this one we can take 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now close.